In this video, we're creating a glitch text effect in DaVinci Resolve. It's a fast, digital distortion look that's perfect for intros and textile titles. Let's get started. Alright, first, drop in a background, a merge, a media out, and a text plus node. That's our base setup for the glitch effect. Now set your font and size, then right-click and go to character styling. Here you can tweak individual letters for that broken, glitchy look. Once the text is ready, press Shift plus space and add the following nodes: Prism Blur, JPEG Damage, Scan Lines, and Displace. These will build up the glitch distortion effect. Once we're done with that, go to the Effects panel, then open Templates, Edit Generators, and choose the Noise Gradient. After that, connect it to the Displace node. This will control the glitch distortion and movement. Now let's set up the Noise Gradient. Choose Type 6, then open it on Viewer 1 so you can see what we're adjusting. Set detail and contrast to maximum, and keep brightness around 0.6. Unlock X and Y, then set X to 1.2 and Y to 170. When you're done with that, let's jump over to the Scan Lines node. On the Scan Lines node, set the line frequency to around 16 or 17, and the line width to about 0.7. Once that's done, move on to the JPEG Damage node. Here, let's lower the quality a little and increase the resolution. This will make the glitch effect look cleaner and more detailed. Now, let's move to the Prism Blur node. Set the blur strength to 0, and the aberration strength to about 0.8. You can also fine-tune the effect by adjusting the blur position to get the look you want. Since we want an animated glitch effect, go back to the Noise Gradient node and increase the seethe rate to make the distortion move. And we're done. That's your basic glitch text effect. Play around with the colors or any of the settings. Make it your own style. If you like this one, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.